to the Metrics That Matter Executive Reporting Module Overview by Knowledge Advisors. How does our measurement software improve the effectiveness and business outcomes of learning, you ask? 5 important features and benefits. Practice. Knowledge Advisors is a trusted source of thought leadership for evaluating the effectiveness of critical human capital initiatives. Cloud computing. Metrics That Matter flagship software utilizes a cloud-based architecture to enable easy implementation and integration with other enterprise systems. Reporting. Metrics That Matter integrates data from multiple enterprise systems with information collected through evaluations and assessments. Informal learning measurement. Matter reaches beyond formal learning programs and learning management systems to measure learning effectiveness in informal and social learning environments. And 5, benchmarking. Metrics That Matter includes a benchmark database with over 1 billion external data points and 100 standard reports. Benchmarking can be sliced by industry, course type, job function, and more to compare your learning effectiveness against external averages. Our data collection, storage, processing, and reporting system is what you need in order to accomplish your measurement goals in a user-friendly environment. The system has powerful capabilities to take your most basic inputs from class attributes to evaluations, tests, and other business data and translate those into outputs in the form of concise and clear reports and dashboards. We'll do a walkthrough of how our clients use executive reporting to summarize and show results to L&D management and business executives. To the question, what is executive reporting? Well, it is a set of standardized reports based on the Talent Development Reporting Principles, or TDRP initiative, started by key L&D executives and knowledge advisors in late 2010. It was after the Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP. Reporting contains business statements that are organized into 3 powerful reporting elements: efficiency, effectiveness, and outcome metrics. Lastly, standardized and ready-to-use evaluations for strategic programs like sales, leadership, and onboarding are utilized to show results to management and business executives. And each has its own set of narrative reports that can be represented at the enterprise, regional, business unit, or strategic program level. Talent Development Executive Report. This narrative report with text, analyst guidance, charts, analysis of trends, and benchmarks is one that every executive is longing for. The efficiency, effectiveness, and outcome metrics are combined into one report that is generated in Word or PDF. Development statements. With these tabular statements, you can create views that showcase trended actual data compared to a goal over time, like monthly, quarter, yearly numbers. Color interpretive guidance to all statements. Sheets and reports. You can evaluate strategic programs important to executives like sales, leadership, and onboarding by using standardized evaluations for each program type. Evaluations feed program-specific narrative reports very similar to the Talent Development Executive Report. Now let's take a look at each one of these elements. First, the Talent Development Executive Report. Here are business outcomes, effectiveness ratings, and efficiency ratings as we just described. The Talent Executive Report also has a magic quadrant graph. Here it's by business unit to volume and overall effectiveness of the programs within the suite. The key outcomes table has business results down the left-hand column like revenue, labor expense, profit, employee profit margin, productivity, and correlate to the impact the learning has had on each one of those business results. Categories, as we discussed, effectiveness data. Effectiveness data such as delivery quality, knowledge gain, application to the job, business alignment, value, and effectiveness all resonate with the business executives. Lastly is our efficiency data. How much have we trained? numbers of participants, employees trained, total investment, average participant, or the L&D function. Next, look at the talent development statement. Here in Metric Matter, you can see the talent development statement for business outcomes. Business down the left-hand side, and here we're comparing it and trending it over the fiscal year 2011, actual to goal and color coded. We can for our efficiency statements as well as the effectiveness statements that both populate the talent and executive report as well as program-specific reports. Let's look at one of those now. Here's a report for a leadership program. As you can see in the business outcome table, now you're looking at leader retention rates, employee scores, retention, productivity, financial management, all as it relates to the leadership program. In addition, we could also do this for a onboarding program. The onboarding program, we might want to look at specific measures as relates to the hiring process. So here it's time to performance ratings, participant confidence level, or increasing their confidence level back on the job, competency ratings, time to promotion, and then even retention rates at 90 days or 1 year later for those folks that have gone through the onboarding program. Now, you get that data into these reports, you ask? Well, here are specific program evaluations, this one dedicated to a leadership program. So we have specific questions around the leadership training that the participants have participated in. And the onboarding evaluation does the same thing. We want specific questions around the hiring and the onboarding process and what type of significant business results are going to be impacted after going through this hiring or onboarding process. Now, be giving your reporting process to business leaders today. And you do this by using credible and repeatable tools based on industry standards like talent development reporting principles. Create documents organized into efficiency, effectiveness, and outcome metrics. Implement standardized and ready-to-use evaluations for your strategic, visible, and costly programs, and show to L&D management and business executives with specific narrative reports. And you who wish to complement the executive reporting module and jumpstart the report process in your organization, use Knowledge Advisor's world-class dashboard module and the expert tiered consulting services to make it happen. Well, this brief overview provides additional insight into how the executive reporting module will put an exclamation point on the impact you have on your organization. We appreciate you viewing this recording and hope you have found it valuable and useful. Please contact us either by phone or email using the information on the screen. Thank you.